Kamukunji. Kamukunji. Okay. Imagine hii nilipata na so. Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm taking you to Kamukunji in Nairobi, Kenya, where I want to go and buy utensils, and I want to show you around and the shop that I'll buy from. So what I will advise first of all is for you to get comfortable shoes, because you know Kamukunji is big and you will have to go round and round looking for things at a cheaper price. So make sure you have comfortable shoes like mine. I'm wearing Batangoma and I love them when I want to walk. You head to Tuskys OTC. Behind Tuskys OTC, use that road and just go down and then take your left. So when you take your left, it's the shop, it's a third shop on your left. And this is it. It's called Best 9. Those are the telephone number you can call, and here we are. At the door, there are these I don't know what they're called, but the ones you're used to preserve milk with, and that's what you meet at the door. And then big sufurias. The prices are indicated. I really tried to like zoom so that you can be able to see the prices. And they also have wall clocks and picture frames, some a bit wall decor in your house. The place was full, so I really tried to capture the items well, their prices. I hope you enjoy the video. Make sure you watch till the end to see how the shop looks like and what I got. People who love baking, here are your baking trays for your muffins, different shapes and at an affordable price. This shop has good things at an affordable price. I swear if you come here, you'll overbuy things. So I'm glad I discovered this shop. For the people who like want to start a business or to sell culturalities and all that stuff, this is the place to be. You'll get a good price which you'll be able to sell back to your clients. It's a tip that I'm giving you.
person. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you.
Guys, I did not manage to finish the video at Kamukunji, or is it Kamukunji, or is it Kamukunji? Anyway, how you call it, that's where I was, and I did not finish because I was really tired and I really needed to reach home. So here I am. I wanted to show you just a few things which I got from there and their prices, which was really affordable for me. I don't know if it is for you, but if you felt, because I've showed you the entire video, if you felt it's a good place, you can go check it out and buy stuff from them. So one thing what was taking me there was jars. I really need to make my kitchen. It's like a small makeover or something, so I really need a lot of stuff, but I'm buying them slowly. So I wanted jars, so I went there and this is what I got. Okay, this one was 500 ml, which was going for 50 bob, 50 or 60 shillings, which I got. This one's like 3 of them. And then there was this one jar, another jar, which is 1 liter for 150, which I got them also for 3. We will still go for more because we have to add more for the stuff that I have to put inside. And then there's this one which I got for 100. I don't know how it's called though. This one for scooping, maybe when you're cooking your mayai and your eggs. So this is it. And then I got these spoons. I don't know if you can see, 12 pieces for 120. This was really a super save for me. It was really a super save for me. So if you really enjoyed the video, if you want more kitchenwares, you can go to that place, Best 9, and you will get everything that you need. So I have to finish this video and I'll say goodbye for now until we meet the next video.